Hey YouTubers, I'm building a carport on a site that is not level. There's a 2 foot difference between the high point and the low point, and I'm using 6x6 posts that I want to put on concrete footings, uh, and I want all those footings to be level. So here you see my Huepar laser level. You can get one for 150 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below. These are awesome little tools. The green line you're seeing there running from corner to corner. That's basically where the string line needs to be. I use that to, you can see there in the background where my jet stakes are. I manufactured them using 2x4s and tapered off the ends, pounded in the ground. And then my batter boards will go where that line, that laser line's hitting them. And then I'll know that every corner is level on the same plane. And you can also use that laser level to mark your batter board where your string lines themselves will go, because I've got it set up so that it goes through where I anticipate the corners of my post to be. So that little laser level there comes in extremely handy. And that's just what I'm showing you here. You have to use those a little bit after when it's fairly dark so you can see the lines. Like say it's only 150 bucks. Awesome tool to have in your toolbox. So the following are just clips here where I laid out my batter boards, put my string lines up. The intersection of the string, I pushed a stake into the ground, um, and that would represent the corner of my post. Now, to lay out your post, if you want to get a good video on laying out the post, go to R&R Buildings on YouTube and look for their video called, I'll leave a link in the description below, but it's called Layout for Beginners, Easy Step by Step. But that's what I'm showing you. I use that to do that. Those squares in the corners, that's for a 6x6, and then you find the center of that, and that's where the center of your hole will be. Using a plumb bob, I did that. Then I drilled my holes. So you want your post to be in the center of the footing. I anticipated for that. I used Simpson post braces once I had my footings, and this is a video on how to install those.